Maayong buntag. I just woke up. I'm now here inside the farm and it's raining. Yeah. They said that the best time to plant trees was 20 years ago, and the next best time is now. Because today it's raining and I'm fixing some of my plants so that they will survive, because now we are experiencing La Nina. Okay, so I have my plants and look at my kitchen. It's smoking. I'll be cooking some breakfast. So good morning to all. It's time to plant. Yeah. So to all my friends, you should plant trees now. In the next 2-3 weeks, we'll be experiencing strong rain. Good day.